108. Field Communication Fundamentals. Overview of an N/PRC-117F Manpack radio system. N/PRC-117F transceiver. H250/U handset. VHF LO blade antenna with flex adapter. VHHI and UHF combo antenna. Antenna bag. Spare HUB, hold-up battery. Battery box. CD-ROM, wireless messaging terminal. CD-ROM, radio programming application. Operation manual. Quick reference guide. Cables. KDU extension cable. HPW data cable. Y-cable sync/async data. Optional RPA cable, black remote, blue dot. Designated frequency ranges for the PRC-117F/SINCGARS. Band or mode, frequency range from 30 to 512 MHz. Frequency coverage, 30 to 512 MHz. VHF low, 30 to 90 MHz. VHF high, 90 to 225 MHz. UHF, 225 to 512 MHz. Frequency ranges for the SINCGARS radio. Single channel. When using the SC mode of operation, the RT communicates on one frequency, selected using RT keyboard, that has been loaded into the RT. The SC frequency can be cleared or offset as desired. Frequency hopping. SINCGARS also has the ability to secure transmissions through the use of a transmission security key and frequency hopping to reduce or eliminate the threat of jamming and direction-finding equipment. In order for your RT to use the FH mode of operation, it must be loaded with FH data. The data necessary for FH operation are 1. Cold start TSK, 2. SC frequency loaded into man channel, 3. Hop set, 4. Lockout sets, if required, and 5. FH sync time. LO, low power, Manpack, 300 m. M, medium power 300 m, 4 km. HI, high power 4 km, 8 km. PA, power amplifier, vehicular only, 8 km to 35 km. Note, every radio system requires 5 basic components. Transmitter, receiver, power supply, antenna, H250, handset. Note, the above ranges are based upon line of sight and are averages for normal conditions. Range depends on location, sighting, weather, and surrounding noise level, among other factors. Use of OE254 antenna will increase ranges for both voice and data transmissions. Enemy jamming and mutual interference conditions will degrade these ranges. In data transmissions, use of lower baud rate will increase range. Note, the primary portable radio communication, PRC, used by the Marine Corps is PRC-117F. The PRC-119A and B are no longer in service. It has been replaced by the PRC-117. However, the PRC-119C still exists, which go into the MRC-145S, and PRC-119F. It can go into a vehicle or Manpack. Utilization of current comm assets and other means of communications, X, SWAN/VSAT, Blue Force Tracker, Manpack, and handheld radios, are the current source of communication within vehicles, foot patrols, and combat operations centers, COCs. The procedures for the setup and use of the N/PRC-117F and N/PRC-119F. N/PRC-117F radio set operation. Function switch control positions are used to turn the radio on or off, and to select the radio's ComSec operating mode. The selections are: off, radio powered off, a good hub will retain all data. PT, plain text, requires a pull to turn action. CT, cipher text. TD, cipher text, time delay, VINS and ComSec only. RV, receive variable, OTAR, variable generate. LD, load crypto variables or FH data. ZL, zeroize read data, requires a pull to turn action. CLR, clears all programming, black data, and keys, red data, requires a pull to turn action. Note: place battery in CLR position to save hub battery in long-term storage. And /PRC-117F system setup procedures. Ensure radio is in the OFF position. Insert batteries into battery box and attach to and /PRC-117F. 2, each BB390, BB590, BB2590, BA5590, BA5390. Connect the 6-foot KDU remote cable to the KDU left side connector and to the N/PRC-117F chassis connector. Line up with dots. Connect H250/U handset to the J1 audio/data/fill connector. Connect the flexible adapter to the J5 VHF low antenna. Connect the VHF blade antenna to J8 VHF/UHF flex antenna, or, for SATCOM, connect the SATCOM antenna coax cable to the radio J8 VHF HI/UHF antenna connector. External GPS operation. Connect GPS interface cable from GPS J2 input connector, or, for NMEA, Garmin, GPS, use stub adapter with PC cable. And /PRC-117F loading SC frequencies. Turn function switch to PT, radio will conduct self-test at this time. Press keypad number 8, program button. Select norm and press ENT. Press ENT on net. Select preset net to modify, 00-99 user defined. Select yes for activate in list. Select net type, LOS fixed frequency. Select FREQ and press ENT. Enter desired frequency and press ENT. Select NO on receive only and press ENT. Press CLR 3 times to get to main menu. Place radio on preset you just programmed. Conduct radio check. Note: button is the toggle button, which moves to different screens to view the channel, net and frequencies. Manpack. To assemble a Manpack radio, you must first check and install the battery. Warning: the lithium battery used with your Manpack radio is hazardous if misused or tampered with before, during, or after discharge. Strictly observe the following precautions to prevent injury to personnel or damage to equipment. Do not heat, incinerate, crush, puncture, disassemble, or otherwise mutilate battery. Do not short-circuit, recharge, or bypass any internal fuse. Do not store battery in equipment during periods of non-use. Do not expose the battery to water, it may cause it to explode. Antenna. Screw whip into antenna base. Hand tighten. Carefully made antenna base with RT-ANT connector. Hand tighten, important not to over-tighten. Position antenna as needed by bending gooseneck. Do not use antenna as a handle. Equipment damage may result. Note: keep antenna straight up if possible. If the antenna is bent to a horizontal position, it may be necessary to turn the radio in order to receive and transmit messages. Handset. Connect and secure handset connector to AUD/data connector. Make sure that keys line up on handset connector and RT-AUD/data connector. Push handset connector onto AUD/data connector and twist right, clockwise, to lock in place. Push handset connector in and twist left, counterclockwise, to remove handset.